So let me show you how to install APK files or unauthorized applications on your Google Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now, the way you install it basically depends mainly on how you got it. So it might have been downloaded from the internet. Maybe someone sent an APK file to you. All you have to do is find that APK file. Okay. So for me, mine, since I've just downloaded it, it's going to be in the apps folder. So I can go there and then look for that app. Actually, it's going to be in the downloads folder. So I have two, this one and this one. So all you have to do is double tap on that APK file. Now, of course, by default, your phone will not allow you to just go ahead and install APK files. It's going to ask you to go into settings. So tap on settings, and then you want to allow from this source. Now, once you allow, then it's going to bring up the installer, and then you can go ahead and tap on install. Now, this one, since it's already installed, it's going to show me update. But since yours is not installed, it's going to say install here. So tap on it, and then you'll be able to install that app. So that is basically how to install APK files on your Pixel. Thanks for watching, and good luck.